everybody, welcome back. As you can see, we got an Amazon Prime box here. I did take the tape off of it. I did not know what was in it. I forgot I ordered these. So we got 3 pops in this box. It is a Chase Roulette. We pretty much stole the pops. $2.99 a piece. Let's hope we get a Chase. We'll be right back. All right, welcome back. Like I said, we paid $2.99 a piece for these on Amazon on sale. We bought 3. Let's hope we pull a Chase out of 3. It's a 1 in 6 chance, so I don't know. Wow, package really nice. Bubble wrap in a sorter. Is there a new guy working in Amazon or what? Oh wow, okay. All right. Let's see. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. All right. So, like I said, they are in actually really nice. Oh, very impressive. Impressive. So we got a very nice bubble wrap like bag there. It's really nice. And then of course they come in a sorter as well. So, and as you can see, this is the Star Wars Mandalorian Bo-Katan with chance of Chase right there. We're gonna open it up, show you guys first. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, right off the bat, we got us a Chase. Awesome. This is the helmetless Bo-Katan. Praise. There we go. Guys, if you're enjoying The Mandalorian Season 3, let me know down below. I had not seen any of the episodes. Ryan Milky, my horseman brother, and Headless Ned, they're doing the Mandalorian recap every week. And they said, hey, watch it and watch Season 3 with us. So I did. I watched the first 2 seasons in just a few days. Really, really got to like it. Loving Season 3. Bo-Katan has a pretty good part in it. So, yeah. Let us know down below if you're watching Season 3 or if you haven't seen any of it. So, awesome. Chase right off the bat. Awesome. Can't beat that. Can't beat that. Again, we have 2 more here. I like these bubble wrap bags. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. And then, of course, the sorter as well. We got 1, 2, 3. Can we get 2? No, here is the common. All right. So here we get to see what the Bo-Katan common looks like. Sorry about that. It is her with her helmet. So still a very cool pop. Very cool pop. There's the complete set from the Mando there. We got the Mandalorian with Grogu. We got Boba, Bo-Katan, Ahsoka, Grogu with cookies, and the Dark Trooper. Weird thing is the Mando doesn't have its helmet on. So, if you know anything about the show, you're not supposed to see him without his helmet. That one does have a little bit of box damage, but nothing like a normal Amazon delivery would have. Wow, I can't believe we pulled a Chase right off the bat for $2.99, guys. Even if it's a $15 Chase, I'll take it. Let's see, Bo-Katan with Chase. Here we go. Is it another one? Can we pull 2 out of 3? Let's go. No. We get the common Bo-Katan. This one has some damage too. I think it's from the sorter, it looks like. You can see right there. A little bit of damage. Just barely. Just barely. Right there. The Bo-Katan. And this is the same as this is the other common. So, we did pull a perfect pull out of 3. We went 2 for 3. We got the Chase and the common. We're going to check right now live. Let's check live. See what the prices of these are. I have no clue what their value is. Like I said, we paid $2.99 a piece for them. We found a sale on Amazon one day. I think somebody put it up in our Discord that they were on sale. Went over there, grabbed a couple. So, all right. No helmet Chase, $22. Remember, we paid $3 for it. Prime. We have Prime, so free shipping, and the common is 11. So there's $44 worth of pops here for $9. So guys, keep your eye out for those deals. If you're looking to pick up some Star Wars pops, maybe I know they had some other Star Wars pops as well. Oswald Cobblepot has been on sale quite a bit lately. I know it's not a real desired pop. This one isn't either, but pick these up because she's a pivotal part in season 3 of The Mandalorian, which is going on right now on Wednesdays on Disney Plus. Hashtag not sponsored, but if you want to, hit me up. But she's a pivotal role in the season, and maybe these pops will go up. So I'll hold on to one of each and see what it does. So, guys, as always, make sure to go down there and hit that like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. Check out our other channels, Two Dirty Hands Woodworking, and Let's Chat with Veterans. Guys, we go live every Sunday night on Let's Chat with Veterans with Big Easy's House of Pops. We chat, we hang out, we have guests, and we just help people. Guys, we'll see you later.